Have you ever felt like everyone else is moving forward while you're stuck in the shadows? Imagine standing in a crowded hallway, laughter echoing all around, but somehow you feel invisible like a ghost drifting through the noise. Friends gather in tight circles, sharing stories and plans, their faces bright with excitement. Yet, for you, every smile feels just out of reach. Every conversation a reminder of the distance between you and the world. On the outside, life seems busy and full, but inside, there's a quiet ache, a longing to belong, to be seen, to matter. It's a silent struggle, one you carry alone, wondering if anyone else notices the emptiness behind your eyes. If you've ever felt this way, you're not alone. This story is for you. As the days pass, the feeling of being left out grows heavier. It's not just the silence in the hallways or the empty seat at lunch, it's the quiet battles fought inside. The mind becomes a restless place, replaying moments when you tried to join in but felt ignored, or when your messages went unanswered. You scroll through social media, watching classmates post photos of parties, study groups, and weekend adventures. Each image is a reminder of what you're missing, fueling a sense of inadequacy. Why can't I fit in? What's wrong with me? The questions echo late at night, making it hard to sleep. Academic pressure adds another layer. As you wonder if your grades or achievements will ever be enough to make someone notice you, the world seems to move on without you. And the more you compare, the more invisible you feel. Loneliness isn't just an absence of people, it's a shadow that follows you everywhere. But in the quiet moments, when the world finally slows and the noise fades away, something unexpected happens. Alone in your room, you sit with your thoughts, letting the silence settle around you. At first, it feels empty, just you and your worries. But then, in that stillness, there's a gentle whisper, almost too soft to notice. It's a feeling, a nudge, a sense that maybe you're not as alone as you think. What if your loneliness is actually a message meant just for you? What if, in this season of isolation, there's a purpose unfolding, even if you can't see it yet? The despair begins to soften, replaced by a quiet curiosity. Maybe, just maybe, this emptiness is an invitation to listen, to grow, and to discover something deeper within yourself. At first, loneliness felt like a punishment, a sign that something was wrong or broken. But as days turned into weeks, a subtle shift began. Instead of running from the silence, you started to sit with it, letting it teach you. You picked up a journal, pouring out your thoughts and fears onto the page. Each word became a step toward understanding yourself, your dreams, and your pain. You tried new hobbies, painting, running, reading books you'd always meant to start. Slowly, you discovered talents and interests you never knew you had. In the quiet, you found space to pray, to meditate, to ask questions you'd never dared to voice. The emptiness that once felt suffocating became a canvas for growth. You realized that solitude wasn't a sentence, it was preparation. It was a season for building resilience, for learning to stand on your own, for finding your voice. The loneliness that once made you feel lost was actually guiding you to hidden strengths, shaping you into someone wiser, stronger, and more compassionate than before. With time, the lessons learned in solitude begin to shine through. You notice others who seem withdrawn, sitting alone at the edge of the group or quietly fading into the background. Instead of walking past, you remember your own journey and reach out a simple smile, a kind word, an invitation to join in. The empathy you gained from your own loneliness becomes a bridge, allowing you to connect with people in ways you never could before. You listen more deeply, encourage more sincerely, and offer support without judgment. Friendships form, not out of convenience, but out of genuine understanding. You find yourself leading by example, showing others that it's okay to feel alone sometimes, and that those moments can lead to incredible growth. Imagine the lives you could touch simply because you understand what it means to be alone. The joy of connection, after so much isolation, feels richer and more meaningful. Your loneliness, once a source of pain, has become a powerful gift, one that allows you to lift others up and create a community where no one has to feel invisible. Looking back, you realize that loneliness was never meant to break you, it was meant to build you. It was a valley, not a life sentence, a season of preparation for the mountains you're meant to climb. In those quiet moments, you learn to embrace solitude, to seek growth, and to trust that there's a bigger plan unfolding, even when you can't see it. The pain of feeling alone became the soil where your resilience and empathy took root. If you're in that valley now, know that it's not the end of your story. Use this time to discover who you are, to nurture your strengths, and to prepare for the purpose that's waiting for you. The lessons you learn in solitude will become the foundation for the life you meant to build. You are not alone in your loneliness. There is purpose hidden in your quietest moments, waiting to be discovered. Don't let this season pass by without finding the growth and meaning it offers. If this story resonates with you, share your journey in the comments below. Your words might be the encouragement someone else needs. Like and share this video to spread hope to others who feel unseen. Together, let's build a community where no one has to walk through the valley alone. Embrace your season and trust that something beautiful is being prepared for you.